Using concrete sealers and waterproofing agents is a game changer if you want to keep your driveway, patio, or any concrete surface looking fresh and lasting way longer without stress. These products are like a protective shield that stops water, stains, and wear from wrecking your concrete, so you don't have to worry about cracks or ugly discoloration creeping in over time. Alright, here's the deal with concrete sealers. First off, you got your penetrating sealers, which soak into the concrete and block water from inside out. Perfect if you want to keep that natural look. Then there are film-forming sealers like acrylics or epoxies that sit on top and give a shiny coat plus stain resistance. When applying, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Dirt or moisture will mess up how well the sealer sticks. You can roll, brush, or spray the sealer on. Spraying usually gets you an even coat without fuss. Don't rush it. Some sealers need at least a day or two to dry fully before you walk on them or put stuff back. Reapplying every couple of years keeps things solid because even the best sealers wear down from sun and rain. Plus, waterproofing agents add an extra layer of defense against water damage and freeze-thaw cycles that cause cracking. Always pick the right type for the job, like outdoor concrete needs different gear than indoor floors. One of the biggest screw-ups people make is slapping on a sealer over dirty or damp concrete that just leads to peeling and uneven coverage. Another common mistake is using the wrong kind of sealer for their project, like picking a glossy sealer for a driveway where traction matters. That can get slippery and dangerous. Also, skipping regular maintenance or waiting too long between reapplications can let water sneak in and ruin your hard work. Staying on top of it saves you big headaches later. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for hooking you up with reliable local contractors who know their stuff about concrete sealing and waterproofing. And if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid place to find new clients looking for pros like you to handle these home improvement jobs without the usual hassle.